This video is all about making a homepage for your Astra theme. We have the Astra theme installed and we really want to get a homepage going, but instead of doing it from scratch, we're going to use a template. So once you get the Astra theme ready to go, appearance themes, and you got Astra activated, go ahead and install the plugin Spectra. Go to plugins, add new, type in Spectra, and go ahead and activate this. Not only do you get additional blocks for your Gutenberg block editor, you get a bunch of templates as well. So once you have that ready to go, go to pages, add new, give it a title, and you could probably disable the title. And then up at the top you see template kits. That's from Spectra. Click that button. You can browse all of these, import page by page if you want. I'm going to import this digital agency, this home. Okay, go ahead and import that with the button at the bottom. And you can see we got a good place to start with our home page. Click the list view at the top to see how they built it. You can see it uses the container widget from the Spectra plugin as a nice, you can duplicate how they lay these out, and you can get an idea of how to design these on your own after you use these templates enough. So now that we have our template installed, there's just a couple things I want to do. I want to make sure that the transparent header is enabled, since this has a nice dark background in the first section. Click the Astra icon at the top, advanced settings, transparent header enabled. Okay. Now I'm going to publish it. Alright, the next thing I want to ensure is that the color scheme matches the color scheme that I want. These template pages point to the global colors in your Astra theme. So if you go to the template kits, and if you actually browse their demo site, so I go back to the one that I was using, and at the bottom, preview site, you'll see this customize tab. Here's the palette that it's using to produce the colors on the page. So I need to copy down these colors if I want these to match, and I need to install these in my Astra theme. So if you right click, inspect, and make a note of these colors here, the hex codes, and then I'm gonna go ahead and transcribe those into my theme. I do the same thing for the fonts. Scroll down, you see it has the fonts that it's using to produce this page: DM, Serif, Display, and Poppins. Alright, so let's get out of this. We have our page installed. Now we need to go back to the dashboard, go to Appearance, Customize. First thing I'll do is I will install it as the home page. If you're running the Astra theme, at the very bottom you'll see home page settings. You might not be able to see it behind my camera. So anyway, you click that and then you set home page to a static page, home. Publish that. You see it's using the transparent header, and it's a good starting point. It's all in one column right now because of how thin I have my screen. Alright, next thing we need to do is to install those colors, that color palette. So go to Global, Colors, and these are the 5 colors that you need to put in if you want them to match the palette and the page that I was browsing on the demo site. And then you can go ahead and play with these. If you like the way something else works, then you go ahead and copy those down. So once you have the global colors, the page pulls the colors from here, and then you need to do the typography, body font, was Poppins. There it is. Headings font, DM serif display. Then it's going to go ahead and apply those settings. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the home page. Let's go ahead and visit the site, make sure it's looking good. Good starting point. I hope you found this helpful, and I will see you next time.